for McDowell Falls. We're doing this finally. Yeah. We've been planning to do it for a long time. Exciting. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's do this. Off the trail. Fall! Yeah! Fall, top and bottom.
We're gonna hike it all day.
Oh yeah!
I belong to a world nobody here seems to know. I still believe
it's a little
every
fall.
dream
Oh, it's so adorable.
You couldn't trade your mind for a sip, and
Clover.
you
We're gonna find
wonder why
out.
you feel so old.
Oh yes, we have a wide selection. We're gonna find out if we're lucky or not.
Here really quick to get some really cool pictures with that log, and I think they turned out awesome. If they did, I will post one inside this video somewhere. I'm pretty excited. Awesome day. Yeah.
I've been chasing shadows, cheap reflections of your face.
Hiking to the second fall right now. We're on our way. We keep stopping like every few seconds because I'm like, Caroline, it's so pretty, we're taking pictures. So she's dealing with me. Windy path, so I had to take a video to show you guys. It looks really cool.
It's so awesome.
It's so awesome. Oh yeah. Another little fall.
It's so big.
It's so cute. Carolyn's checking the maps for me. Hi, Carolyn. Pretty. Pretty.
Tree.
A tree.
A tree.
A tree. A tree. Inside the tree? Oh, looks weird in here. I don't see much except bugs. Fork in the road.
See that? You see this?
So we're gonna go that way. Not that way. 20 hike. We found a wheat bin.
Hungry?
I wonder who that was. They left a wheat bin on the path for us to find. Yeah. Who's gonna eat it? Find out on this next break. Waterfall number 2 and you're just like psyched out about it.
Yeah, it's so awesome.
Woo!
So update, if you can even hear me, we can feel the mist on our faces and we're like so far from it. It's ridiculous. And there's Carolyn taking a selfie.
Oh, and I'm gonna count these steps when we go down them. Still all the way up there. There's the waterfall. And we just came from down there where those people are up these steps. We're just climbing, we think about 100 stairs. We're gonna count them on the way back down. Oh man, we're gonna be ready for a water break when we get to the top of these falls. 6 steps. Oh my goodness, that was crazy. I just found a Jessica and Carolyn mark on this bridge. We're so excited.
So excited.
Yeah, we made it up. We're up, we're above. And I'm trying not to lose my phone. Yep. Before the storm. I really want to get in it even though it's like freezing. Oh my gosh. That looks like it would be really fun to slide down. So muddy. Wow.
Are you doing chocolate?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
To drop my phone right now. Hey baby. This one's a pretty short one.
Yeah.
But it's still cool. After having a break with water and Kit Kats, because that's healthy.
Yep.
We climbed all the way back down the stairs and we counted, and it is
140 steps.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was it. We have accomplished the whole thing.
Yes.
Oh yeah, 140 steps on just the rock steps up to the top of the waterfall alone. Not to include everything else that we did, which was awesome.
Yep.
Best adventure ever.
Yes. Marshmallow's so big, I'm having trouble eating.
See you next time. Bye.